Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the display on an iPhone 3GS, and this is only for the 3GS because the 3G is slightly different, although you can actually, no, I take that back. You can do this on a 3G. That was my cat. Yeah. You can do this on a 3G, but you cannot swap the 3GS displays and the 3G, so yeah, so first of all, you want to unscrew these screws on the bottom. And I would like to update you guys on the parts lot I received last week. All the phones do work. One iPhone can't activate for some reason. So, yeah. Oh yeah, right, you gotta power it off. And why am I? And I'm not gonna actually replace the display because, well, this also has a crack, but I'm not gonna swap them because, yeah, I'm not. But anyways, putting these two phones aside, you can just start unscrewing. The screw looks like it's not coming out, and my cat is a little bit annoying. Let me just try and wait, my cat. Okay, but anyways, you can just pry up on the display, and that screw is not out. Oh, okay. I think the screw might have been stripped, but yeah, whatever. So, I think I did power this off. Yeah, wait. Okay, I'm not sure if you could hear my cat meowing, and there goes the thing powering on. Let me just disconnect the connector. Okay, forget about it. So, disconnect the display connectors. Now for this one, you have to lift up this little... Yeah, no, I'll be right back. Get out. Okay. I am back, and once you undo this latch right here, you can pull this flex cable out, and if you want to just replace the glass and transfer the LCD, I will do that in another video, but for today I'm not doing that. So next, you want to connect your new display, first connecting this ribbon cable right here, so I'm going to do that. It does take some work, a few tries to get working, but in the end it does work. So now that that's in, you can connect the display connectors again. And if you're wondering, the 3GS display looks the same as the 3G displays, but they're not. The LCD connector is actually different because it's longer, and the 3GS LCD cables are shorter. So I find it hard to connect the LCD back. I don't know why, but I just find it harder. So yeah. And once you connect those cables, you can, of course, turn the iPhone back on. And there we go. Slide to unlock. And there we go. So you can just screw in the two screws on the bottom. Okay, so this screw has definitely broken. Sometimes no, this screw is different. Never mind. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna do something real quick. Alright, that's better. So, you can screw in the one screw. And there we go. So I hope this tutorial helped you. You do need a thin metal pry tool for this. You can use a suction cup, but I don't prefer those to pry up the display. You can use a spudger, any tool you want. But anyways, I hope what? That made no sense. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And also check out my Twitter at ufelix5. Also smash the bell for whatever reason I forgot. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.